Hello YouTube, I'm looking at my Oncidium hula halau. Oncidium hula halau. Can't read it, huh? It's all kind of gone. Anyway, this is an orchid I've had for a long time and not very successful in flowering it, and I've been trying to grow it in semi-waterculture or waterculture, and so you can see all the roots there. The roots look alright, but I am not getting any flowers. So I just want to take a look at the roots. Let's see, I'm going to use one hand. See how the roots look. They look fairly healthy. There's the bottom there. I tend to put some water, not fully soaking the roots, but partially, hoping that they will just keep growing and pulling the water up. But I've not had good success with this kind of semi-waterculture with this plant. I know Sam of Samantha's Orchids grows them really nicely, but I've not had much success. I'm planning to, I don't like the way it's shaking there. Maybe it doesn't like feeling like that. So I'm going to fill some leca beads or something at the bottom and firm up the roots so they have something to hold on to. I don't think this is a very stable situation. And then I will still use water, up to a certain mark there maybe, and let the roots grow into it. So let's see what happens. Alright, thanks for watching.